Hi there, TATC Defenders here from our headquarters in the UK. This is just a quick video just to talk you through the first part of the restoration process. So this is an example of donor stock that we'll get into the factory here. This is a Defender 90. As you can see from the registration plate, this has come in from France. Got a winch bumper on the front. But as you can see, a very tidy vehicle here to be used in one of our next restorations. No scrapes or scratches. Very tidy on the side. This is the sort of quality that we get in for our donor vehicles. So this particular 90 has spent its life in France, sold into France originally by Land Rover. So we'll get a Defender in this, typically in this condition. And then over a period of time, we'll break them down into something like this. You can see here, I think this one's a Spanish Defender, so lots of Spanish dust there that's built up over 25 years. You can see just how clean and tidy it all is for a 25-year-old vehicle. It's obviously had a life, it's been used. This is a Defender 110. So again, you can see how clean and tidy the panels are for what is a donor vehicle essentially. So the team here in the factory will dismantle the donor stock. This is the original 300 TDI engine. So the team in the factory will dismantle the donor stock, completely disassemble, take out the original engine, gearbox, transfer case, axles, take the chassis down to the bare metal, where it will be then sent to be coated in an epoxy resin, a hot wash, zinc galvanization, and then fully wax oiled inside to ensure that it lasts for many, many, many years to come. So this is just the first phase of the restoration process. We'll then start to split the vehicles down into its constituent parts. So you'll see here, got some new wings going on the side of the rear tub. Again, this work is all done in-house by our heritage builders. So anything that needs replacing will be replaced, otherwise it will be a full rebuild. So this is phase one of the process. We hope you found this interesting and we'll move on to phase two now. Thanks very much.